All right, we got a 2024 Mazda Cx-30, and we're getting service due soon. All right, we're gonna reset this message, and we're gonna do it at the radio, okay? So at the radio, you're gonna use your controller right here. And at the radio, we need to go to information, vehicle status monitor. Okay, and what I'm doing as far as enter goes is pushing the wheel button down. Okay, that's the enter. Okay, it says vehicle service interval approaching. Let's go in here real quick. Okay, that's exactly what we want to reset. We got 600 miles left. Maintenance details. All right, we don't want to be there. Vehicle maintenance settings. All right, reset oil change distance. Hit yes. All right, you'll notice that as soon as you do that, the cluster will clear and everything will be off.